have been a good example?
Yes.
Yung totoo, Easy.
I think I have been.
Why?
I've been so open inside this house to the point na I feel like I even overshare.
Paano ka naging nagpakatotoo sa akin? When you were right in front of me, you're a two-faced person. So paano mo nasasabi na magpapakatotoo ka? Are you even happy to see me right now? Do you saying I love you all? Do you love me? No, you don't. I know you.
Siguro ganun talaga yung naramdaman ko sa'yo kasi hindi ko din nakita na naging totoo ka.
Feeling ko lang, Easy, hindi ka nagpakapakatotoo.
Dahil?
Anong sinabi mo sa akin nung nag-uusap tayo sa garden?
Which
You
part?
said, kakampi kita.
Okay.
Here comes nominations. And you had to nominate me because of the outside world. Is betrayal really your thing, Easy?
No. You also voted me. You voted for River, but he's still my duo. So basically, you also voted for me. Yung tanong kasi ni Kuya, if hindi mo pa rin mag-gets up until now, tanong ni Kuya, whole journey. Bakit hanapan ko ba ng mali yung ibang tao? Wala akong mali mahanap sa kanila.
Siyempre, hindi mo pwede hanapan si Ralph. Si Ralph.
Pogi?
Wait lang, bakit atik lang may nahanap ka bang mali kay Ralph?
Wala, perfect niya nga. Crush ko nga si Ralph.
Hiniwalayin mo lang ba si Larkin dahil na-inlove ka kay Ralph?
No. And na-inlove ba ako kay Ralph?